I'm gonna wanna untie my horse and I wanna start straightening his butt up like so. And look how I'm letting him take one step at a time and feel his way out. Whenever I do that, I want to be aware that when he steps down, when that foot doesn't touch the ground, he might try to hop forward right back on top of me. So I want to be off to the side of his shoulders, just like that. So you notice how I'm outside of his shoulders? That's really what we're looking for. And I don't want to be in a rush to get my horse off the trailer. If we can do that, you're a lot less likely for your equine friend to have any issues, to run into problems, to get injured. It's a lot safer doing it like that.